Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. We are headed all the way to Las Vegas to hit CES. And we got Joey. We made it to Vegas. It's the next day and I am so excited, guys. Going to CES in 2020 was an absolute blast. I had never been before, and honestly, it became one of my favorite shows ever. So I can't wait to check it out this year. And it's in the new convention center. One of the vehicles I was most excited to see at CES is the new INDI EV. Now there's tons of electric vehicles at this point, but they differentiate themselves in a major way. Check this out. Underneath the hood is actually this clear panel that shows off the first ever supercomputer in an electric vehicle that empowers you to do some pretty cool stuff. INDI EV wants this to be more than just a point A to point B form of transportation. They want to incorporate the vehicle into your life. So when we come around to the interior, we've got two massive displays in here. And with that supercomputer, it's actually powerful enough to do full video editing as well as play the latest generation games. It also has a modular system, so you can swap out graphics cards and storage and things like that. There's also cameras inside and around the vehicle that can record, and actually you can then edit and upload to the cloud the video that you made. So if you're a vlogger or you're just going with your family on a road trip and you want to share it with the world or share it with your friends and family, I think that is really, really cool. And what's more is 2021, 2022 has become the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain, and INDI EV is getting part of the action. So every single INDI EV car that you buy becomes a node on the blockchain, whereby all these INDI EV owners, anytime there's a transaction that occurs, whether it's a purchase on an app store or eventually they want to drop NFTs on the blockchain, so every time they resell, that gets split out amongst the blockchain and every INDI EV owner can actually earn passive income. That is pretty cool. Now, if we look at the steering wheel right here, they've got a really cool safety system whereby if somebody is in your blind spot in the rear right, the steering wheel actually illuminates in that part to let you know that somebody is in the way. So apparently pre-orders are supposed to start in Q1 of this year, and the vehicle only starts at $45,000, which actually is pretty good value for the money. Unique styling, and that supercomputer is way cool. How crazy is this, guys? Behind me is a fully autonomous race car. I mean, it's legitimately like an adult RC car. Imagine this racing around the track with nobody inside of it. Look at this, I bet you've never seen an apple picking and sorting robot before. That is way cool. Then it sorts the apples and places them into boxes. I'm about to enter the metaverse. I'm in the metaverse, guys, and I'm bald. How is this for a futuristic looking autonomous vehicle? I actually love the design language of this. Cool interior too. Check out that steering wheel. Look at this, it can move sideways.
That beautiful orange color.
Look how this car is able to move. That is epic. This is a hydrogen-powered autonomous transport truck. Check out this window where you can see all of that hydrogen powertrain components. That is epic. Squid Games in real life.
Starting in 3 seconds.
Oh boy.
What is this one?
How cool is this? This company called Gentex has this camera set up inside of a vehicle that actually monitors passengers and can customize how intense to blow off the airbag based on the position of people inside the vehicle for added safety. Check out the interior of this Model 3 retrofitted with additional screens. One of my least favorite parts about the Model 3 actually was having no driver's display, so that is pretty cool. Check out the plaid style steering wheel. This thing's pretty cool. How wild is this? They have Tesla shuttles from different parts of the convention center. We're about to go in this tunnel down there. Oh my gosh, we're literally in a cave right now. Oh, this is too cool. Damn. I guess Elon Musk is the man behind this creation, the Vegas Loop. Pretty cool idea. Drones, that's all I needed to see. Red Bull Racing Scooter. Even the United States Postal Service made an appearance at CES. Check out this funky looking new truck. I kind of like it actually. This is pretty cool. We've got two 120-inch displays with edge blending technology, so you can't actually tell that they're two different ones. Powered by ground-mounted projectors right in front of it. 120-inch 8K display. That's pricey. Look how sleek this drone is. Fully carbon fiber. That is epic. Cool drone flying demonstration. This drone that looks like an airplane almost can fly 67 miles an hour. How cool would that be for car footage? How wild is this? Even Sony has decided to come out with two electric vehicle prototypes. They've got the mid-size sedan called the Vision S01, which honestly looks really nice. 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds. And they've also got the S02 SUV. They've got 5 displays on the dash, the left and rightmost of which are actually cameras for the side view mirrors. How is this for cool new dashboard technology? Look at the backlights. That is amazing. I'm really digging these illuminated interior components. One of the best parts about CES is that people from all over the globe come together, like this guy and this woman. We got Shmi and Supercar Blondie in the house.
It's so cool to see you guys again. I don't know who's talking at the moment because no one can.
I think I'm talking.
We've got 3 continents on one here.
Yeah, literally.
True.
Wow.
It's so nice to see you guys.
For real.
Yeah.
Have you been to
It's been
CES
years.
before? It's been literally years.
This is my first time at CES.
It's pretty cool.
It's really cool.
Have you been to the other areas,
Do you know
not
what
just
I
the
love?
car areas?
No, not yet.
They're insane.
I'm just like, the cars are the magnets, you know? I just, but I love that cars are now being launched at tech shows.
Yeah,
I think that's
super cool.
Right?
Because
That's the future.
But CES is the first time I've been here, but it's always had like 1 or 2 cars.
Yeah.
This year, the main
Almost
manufacturers
all
are here,
cars.
new manufacturers are here. There's so much here.
Yeah.
That's the strange mind shift.
Yeah.
Is this going to become the new Geneva Motor
I
Show?
think so. I think
That's
so.
the crazy
yeah,
thing.
the tech shows.
Well, that's
are gonna
great
be the
because it's
car
much
shows.
closer for me.
Oh,
It's
damn,
a lot
you win.
farther for you guys.
Let's set one up in Dubai.
I'm down.
You in?
I'm in,
Alright,
I'm in.
sweet. We'll see you there.
Done.
Well, it was so awesome seeing both of you guys. I guess we'll do fist bumps.
Yeah, we'll see you at the next one.
Take care.
Take care. Yeah, stay.
Cool new electric vehicle concept from Volvo. I dig the design language. Check out these suicide doors and those floating seats in the rear. The Aska flying car. This thing drives as well as flies. How cool does this fully autonomous semi-truck look? All matte black, looks absolutely savage. Check out all the radar and LiDAR up on the top there. This has to be one of the craziest things I have ever seen. Behind me is a BMW iX SUV that changes colors. You can configure it to be whatever color you want. It uses e-ink with color changing paper. And look at that as it goes from gray to white. There's also other additional color options as well. Look, it even has it on the wheels. I've never seen anything like that. That is amazing. What do you guys think? Cool technology that they should implement, or is it a bit over the top? I don't know, I kind of like it. Especially the animated flowing change of color. The 4D sound is literally vibrating my back right now, which is pretty crazy. This material choices in here is wild. Look at these massage chairs, guys. This is like the Rolls-Royce or Lamborghini of massage chairs. It'll even move your legs for you for mobility exercises. That is wild. Now this is what CES is all about. Wow, look at that. Well guys, there you have it. An incredible time at CES, seeing all the new vehicle debuts as well as crazy electronics, and most importantly, catching up with some old friends. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.